Step gentle. No, 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 don't rush. Just step gentle, step gentle. Good boy, good horse. That's my boy. Oh, Maddie, are you jumping it?
I don't know, we'll see.
Jakey doesn't jump. Oh, he does. Yes, he does. Oh, he doesn't want to trot, he wants to canter. Now Tango's starting.
He is high.
Jakey's fresh. Steady, Jakey. Steady, bud. Oh my, he looks so beautiful. You've got a hot seat, Maddie.
Canter.
Yeah, no, I'm not, there's no galloping.
No, let's not.
So let's canter to the bulldozers, in line with them. Okay, are we ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
So Jake's not cantering. We're galloping.
Oh, I wish people could see what they're doing. So like I was saying in the last video, they were going to start development.
Yeah.
It started quicker than I thought.
Mate, I feel like I didn't come here for 2 weeks and everything changed.
It's crazy, man.
Looking majestic though. Oh yeah. Kendall. Goodbye.
Let me eat it.
Oh, we've got the mare stare going on here. Jakey doing some wonderful English circles over here. It's just too stuffed. He made all the jump.
That's what I was scared. I thought Thunder was gonna. Steady, but. The things I do to get you on video, my friend. Jump, jump. Good boy.
That is the problem with the Ollie boy.
I told you, dude. Are you surprised?
I am.
I told you he's got get up and go, dude.
He's a good horse. Was he like a barrel horse or something?
He must have been. Because he just likes to run, man.
Nose up and he's going.
Yeah. Ollie, what you doing, bud? Are you running? You've got a tongue like a Yeah, do it, dude.
Yeah, that's what my mom did when she learned.
Are you videoing him? Mm-hmm. Okay. Are we gonna go?
Just getting some extras in. Yeah.
We'll canter up there.
Okay. No galloping you, because now I'm testing my skills, boy.
Now you're gonna know what it's like to video.
So, somebody go first.
You want us to go first?
Yeah, so I get you guys in the video.
Okay.
You know?
You wanna go, man?
I'll go after you.
All right, come back.
Yep. I knew that was gonna happen. Coming through, guys. What a transfer! She's transferring. Look at all.
Tando's not sure about the tire track.
Good girl. Keep it up. Keep the counter. Keep the counter.
Hey, ladies. I'm gonna jump that.
Oh, yeah, I might do that as well. Hold on, let me start the video. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Good girl, Lana.
Yes! Sorry, Jack, your horse is English! Sorry, dude. So what time? That's 2 years because
Good.
as soon as I moved Lana to where I'm at now,
Good boy, Tando. Good horse. Good horse. Good boy. Good boy. Well done.
And I'm not going to be annoyed if there's no.
Step up. Good boy, Tando. Well done, bud. Well done. Yeah, I do want to do that.
I like walking around all this terrain. I do want to do that.
He went the higher route. I didn't want to do that high, Tando.
Oh my gosh.
Jake.
Jakey. Well, Jake makes it happen. Just like grab that with his feet. These horses, you know, they don't.
And Ollie's just showing us he can do it.
Yeah, Ollie's like, I can do it. Ollie's go. The muscles look so good.
Right?
Get out the way, Lana.
Woo! What a steed! What a steed! Oh, you're so pretty,
That's so funny. I'm
Tondo.
like, Dean, you know you want to do this? And it's like, yeah, I do.
Yeah, actually, that sounds like a great idea.
I was looking at where you wanted to canter. That's all I was thinking about. Yeah. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
She could be like a dressage.
He does look like it.
Nice little sit shot. Yeah. It's easy to sit. He lifts his knees nice and high. Gary says that's nice. His tail's nice and upright, like an Arabian. Like an Arabian.
Jakey's like, don't call me an Arabian, I'm a quarter horse. My brother's an Arabian. Just steady, bud. Just steady. Step. You're such a fart. See, why can't you do it like your chick? Back up.
Okay, guys. Chill, yeah. You chill, okay? Donna didn't even win. He's gonna soar to my floor.
See, there's goals, Tando. Walk like your girlfriend.
Right, absolutely.
Thanks for a lot of fun, my sweetheart.
Bonnie, you're coming this way, boy. You're the best, guys. Bye, Tando. Bye, Jakey.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. See you.
See you this weekend.